How to change the voicemail number on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then from here, tap on the More button. Next, tap on Settings. Then in Call Settings, we scroll down. From here, tap on Voicemail. Then tap on Voicemail number. Then in here, put in the voicemail number that you would like to use. Now be careful that when you're changing the voicemail number, make sure you put in the correct number. If you put in the incorrect number, then you won't be able to use voicemail. After that, tap on OK, then tap on OK. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.